Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule an email in Gmail. So as you can see, we are in our Gmail and we've got our new message all lined up. So what I'm going to do is just pop in my message. So I am going to be sending my mum a happy birthday email. So popped in the email there, and then you just want to write in your subject. So we'll just say happy birthday, and then you want to pop in your recipient. So I'm just going to say, okay, so cool. So you put in your email address, you've put in your title, and then you've got your email there as well already. So we've got this send button here, but what we're going to actually do is press this button next to it with the drop down arrow. So then we're going to press schedule send, and then you can choose one of these if you want to that have been pre-populated for you. But if you actually want to choose exactly when, if you scroll down and press select date and time, you can then be a little bit more specific. So you might be getting ready for it next week, and you might know that your mum logs on, say, at 9 o'clock in the morning. So let's say it's her birthday on Wednesday the 27th, and we're going to go for 9 in the morning, and then you can press schedule send, and that's it. That is how to schedule an email on Gmail. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that'd be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.